USAU stock analysis and USAU stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with US Gold Corp. It's in its correction phase, which is totally fair because, you know, beforehand I looked for 2 opportunities. You know, the first one I got it and I cut it out to the dot. Here is this proof, right? Sitting at 1272 3 weeks back. Then this one, if I got like a double break, there was nothing stopping me, but it just wicked out and never show me my exact shift. And then I sort of gave up. As long as there's a confirmation, I'm still Gucci to buy, meaning that if there is a double break here, I'm involved. If not, it's all good, you know. People are gonna overcomplicate stuff. But yeah, that's how USAU is looking like. So if you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.